2013 Triumph Speed Triple 1050, just over 30,000 miles. I think it's done 30,340, something like that. Nice condition throughout, good service history, it's been well looked after. We've done quite a few jobs on this bike in our workshop, so we know the bike well. All the consumables are good. Gold upside down forks, Brembo calipers, ABS brakes. It's got the Aero cans on it. Tail tidy's already on. Got the Triumph bar end mirrors as well. £30,348 miles. So there you have it, 2013 Triumph Speed Triple 1050. The bike's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone in Kent, so you're welcome to pop along and view the bike. If you do need delivery or finance or any further details, by all means give us a call. We can take a part exchange on this bike, so if you want to part X your old bike, again either pop along on it or send us the details and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully see you soon.